What's happening? Is this a joke? Rolling!
It's not all about you.
Hey, I'm Megan Mitchell and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade oat milk. I don't know if you've seen my nut milk recipe where I made almond and cashew milk, not milk, but a lot of you guys wanted to know how to make oat milk, so I'm going to show you, and it's so easy and it's so simple and it's way cheaper than what you find at the store. But before I get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you've made any or either of my nut milks, and if you've made my oat milk ice cream, let me know, because that's kind of inspired this whole thing. So I am using Thrive Market's organic rolled oats, and they are gluten-free, and I'm using 2 cups. And unlike almonds, you have to soak overnight. Cashews, you soak overnight. This is a quick soak. 2 cups into a bowl, cover with cold filtered water. The other thing about oat milk, it's a little fickle because it can get kind of slimy. So a quick soak in cold water. We're gonna rinse it. Let me just mix it together, make sure it's fully covered. Beautiful. So let this soak 20 minutes. Rinse and drain it in a fine mesh strainer, which I have one behind me, until the water runs clear. And you don't want to soak this too long because it can get mushy, it can get slimy. Add to a high power food processor. Nope, this is a blender. Cover with cold water. I'll be back. 8 cups cold water. Once again, you want it cold, prevents it becoming gummy. That looks good. And at this point, you can add any sort of flavorings you want, or you don't have to at all. I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, but you can add maple syrup, date syrup, coconut sugar, honey, but you don't have to, but I'm going to. And you could add cacao powder, turmeric, matcha. I'm gonna add a little cinnamon, but you can keep completely plain. You don't have to add any flavor to it. It's great. I mean, how expensive is oat milk at the store? I feel like it's like $7, $8. Do you guys know? It's not cheap, $5. It's like $75. I'm not made of money. So this is way cheaper. Oats are not expensive. Oats and water, that's all it is. All right, let's blend this up. Don't blend it for too long, 30 seconds maybe. You're not looking for it to break down too much. The more it breaks down, the more chance it has to become a little gummy and slimy. So you just wanna blend it real quick. And that's it. So just a quick blitz. Leave it in large chunks. It does not need to be completely pulverized. Clean bowl. My handy dandy nut milk bag. My nut milk bag. Man, I always say that. Or you could do a strainer lined with cheesecloth. I've also seen people put it through pantyhose. I'd rather just use a nut milk bag. You know what it smells like? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Not kidding. My childhood. And then just drain it. Many of you asked for this when you saw the nut milk recipe. You have nut allergies, or I don't know, you just don't like nuts. Oat milk's a great non-dairy alternative. This will keep about a week in your fridge, and you can put it into jars or glasses. I'm gonna pour mine back into the pitcher. That way it's easier to add to whatever I'm having. If you don't add cinnamon or maple, it'll be more of a beigey white color, but since I added that, it honestly looks like cereal milk after you had Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm kind of into it. Okay, can I do this? Oh no, go fast, go fast, go fast. Another great way to enjoy oat milk would be in your coffee. And that's how easy it is to make homemade oat milk. I hope you try it. I hope you make it. Let me know if you do, and thanks for watching. Happy cooking. How many cups? Where am I? Someone had coffee this morning. What else can I put this in? Am I done?